Hi everyone, welcome to the Shopify tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to post an SEO-friendly blog on Shopify so your blogs rank higher, attract more visitors, and bring in more customers. You also know that having great products isn't enough, and people need to actually find your store on Google. That's where search engine optimization comes in. Right now, I'm already inside the blog post section under Content. And to begin, let's click on Add Blog Post. Okay, I will start with the title, and this left part first. The first fields, as you can see, are title and content. A good blog title should be short, around 60 characters, and it must include your main keyword. It also needs to be attractive so people will want to click on it. For example, I will assume it as Why More Merchants Are Leaving PrestaShop in 2025. This title is about 49 characters long, which is just right, and as you can see, the words changing to blue are the keywords that I want to emphasize. Title done. Next, I move on to the content section. This is where you'll add the full body of the content, and there are 3 important points to remember. First, use clear headings, such as H2 or H3, to organize your text. Second, include your keywords naturally within the content. And third, add internal links that connect to other pages on your site. For example, here you can see a clear H2 heading, and below it, an internal link that directs readers to a related blog. This structure makes your content easier to follow and keeps your audience exploring more of your site. After that, let's scroll down to the excerpt section. The excerpt is a short summary, usually between 50 and 160 characters. It is displayed on the homepage or in the blog list, giving readers a quick preview of your blog, as you can see in the example image below. Most importantly, your excerpt should also contain the main keyword, so it performs well as ranks better in search results. One of the most important parts is the search engine listing preview. It looks quite similar to the title and content above, but the difference is that those are for your audience, while this one is for Google search. There are 3 fields to complete. First, the page title. In this field, you have to keep between 55 and 65 characters to avoid Google cutting it off. One thing to note is that you should always place your main keyword near the beginning. Second, the meta description. This should be 140 to 160 characters, clear and informative. Besides, it must include the main keyword and end with a call to action, such as learn more or get started today, to increase CTR. Finally, in the URL handle, you keep it short by about 3 to 5 words, separate each word with a hyphen, and include the keyword. A clean URL with keywords is easier for Google to index and for your visitors to remember. Once you've finished with SEO settings, let's scroll back up on the right-hand side to the visibility section. Here, tick Visible, so your blog post is published and accessible to the public. Right below, you'll see the option to add an image thumbnail. Choose an image that is attractive, relevant to the content, and eye-catching. It doesn't have to be overly complex, but it should be simple and inspire readers to click. After adding an image thumbnail, there's one more step you shouldn't skip, that is basically a short description of your image. To add it, I'll click on Add Image in the Image section. This will open to upload a new image or select one from your library. For this example, I'll just pick a random image from my files and click Done. Once the image is added, I see it appear on the right-hand side of the editor. Next, click on the Edit drop-down and choose Edit Alt Text. A small window will pop up where you can enter the alt text. Here, you should write a short, clear description of the image. Remember, alt text serves 2 main purposes. First, it improves accessibility, allowing people with screen readers to understand what the image is about. Second, it helps with SEO, because search engines like Google use this text to understand your image and display it in search results. After writing your alt text, click Save to finish. And that's how you add an image with proper alt text to your Shopify blog post. Next, let's move down to the organization section. In the author field, I'll choose my shop name, but you can pick whoever you prefer. In the blog dropdown, create the new one or select the category where you want this blog to appear. And in the tags field, add keywords that match your blog's content. These tags help Google and your visitors discover your post when they search for related terms. Finally, at the bottom, you'll find the theme template option. If you're running a small or new shop, just keep the setting as default blog post. Later on, as your business grows, you might consider hiring developers to create a custom layout for your blog. And that's it! We've just optimized the blog in Shopify from start to finish. As you can see, I've just created a new blog post titled Hosted or Open Sources. Let's take a look together. I've filled out all the sections here, following the guides I showed you earlier. Looks pretty complete and polished. So, I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye!